Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Zyxel Support Campus channel. Today I want to introduce the Zyxel NR5101 LTE router to you. It's a 5G router that speeds up your internet connection in your home, in camping and everywhere with a power socket available and the 5G network. Let's see what's inside the box. The device is delivered in an environmental-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard. Inside you can find the Quick Start Guide, the FCC declaration and the warranty information. The NR5101 comes in a stylish white housing. On the backside you can find the connection. On the bottom you find the credentials for user login and wireless. When you lift the cover on the backside, you find connectors for external antennas. Also in the box you find the power source for different main plugs like US, EU and UK power plug face. Slide the respective plug face to the device and let it click in. Besides, you can also find a LAN cable for the device. Start installing the device using a micro SIM card that will be inserted to the device at the bottom. There's a rubber lid that you can open and then click in the SIM card to the slot. There are signs in which direction you should insert the card so that it clicks and fixes in the device. Close the lid tightly again so that it's even, and then we can install the power source on the right hand side of the backside. Also switch on the device on the power button. Now we have to wait until the device is booted up. You can see that on a blinking power LED. After that, the wireless LED is established, light up in green. Now you can connect to the device using the wireless that is shown in your network list and also the password from the bottom of the label. There are also two QR codes that can be used to log in to the wireless or use WPS. On the backside you can also find the switch for internet backup on the WAN port and another LAN port for devices that don't have wireless. There's a reset button to reset the device to factory default and the USB port connector. To install the device you need the Zyxel LTE Ellie app, which you can download from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. You need this software to find the optimized position for your 5G networks. Let's see how this works. Before you start using the app, you need to connect to the NR5101 Wi-Fi using the QR code on the bottom label or the credentials. Look into the list of available Wi-Fis, connect to the name that is written on the bottom label and enter the password. You can also scan the QR code on the bottom. After that, the connection is established. Now you can start the LTE Ellie app and select the device you want to install. Enter the username and password also written on the bottom of the device. After successful login, you have to enter the PIN code of your LTE SIM card. Then the device is ready to connect to the internet. Allow a few seconds to establish the internet connection. You can also connect other clients using the Wi-Fi code shown in the app or the QR code. As soon as the connection is established, you can find the optimized position for your LTE device on the map or in the direction that the arrow shows to the next available cell. Download a list of available access points in the neighborhood from your provider's support website. Changing the location of your device shows you the optimized position for a good connection to the G network. While the LTE device shall be placed on the best position for LTE 5G network, the clients should cope with the wireless signal inside your area so that they have the optimized position. So we are done with our episode for the Zyxel Support Campus today. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.